You packed your bags, printed your cruise tickets, and you're counting down the days. But one small packing mistake could cost you hundreds, ruin your first day on board, or even get you denied boarding entirely. Cruise lines won't warn you. In fact, they quietly profit when you forget or pack the wrong things. From hidden baggage fees and confiscated items, to forgotten documents and overpriced essentials, these 12 cruise packing mistakes have caught even the most seasoned travelers off guard. I've seen people miss excursions, spend entire days without their medication, or waste their first night sweating over a single forgotten item. So before you zip that suitcase shut, watch this, because avoiding just one of these could save your cruise. Mistake number 1. Overpacking, leading to extra fees. The most common and perhaps most impactful packing mistake is simply bringing too much stuff. Cruisers, especially first-timers, tend to pack for every conceivable scenario, leading to bulging suitcases. This isn't just about cabin clutter. It can mean unexpected airline baggage fees, difficulty maneuvering through terminals, and a cramped, unrelaxing cabin. Overpacking creates more stress than it solves, limiting space and making daily life on board less comfortable. A family on a 7-day Caribbean cruise arrived at the airport with 5 oversized bags, racking up nearly $300 in airline excess baggage fees. Once on board, their small standard cruise cabin was overflowing, with suitcases blocking pathways and clothes spilling onto every surface, making it feel less like a vacation sanctuary and more like a storage unit. Before you pack, map out your outfits per day, utilize packing cubes, and remember that casual attire is perfectly acceptable for most of the cruise. Less truly is more when it comes to cruise packing. Mistake number 2. Forgetting essential documents or not having them easily accessible. It sounds obvious, but a crucial packing mistake is either forgetting vital travel documents entirely or burying them deep in your checked luggage. We're talking passports, visas, if required, cruise tickets, health questionnaires, and even airline boarding passes. Forgetting them means you won't even get on the ship. Burying them means frantic scrambling, delaying your embarkation, and adding unnecessary stress right at the start of your vacation. A couple arrived at the embarkation port only to realize their passports were in their checked bags, which were already being loaded onto the ship. They spent 2 frantic hours waiting for security to retrieve their luggage, missing initial onboard activities and starting their vacation stressed. Always keep your passport, cruise documents, and any other immediate travel necessities in a small carry-on bag or personal item that stays with you. Make a checklist and double-check it before leaving home. Mistake number 3. Packing prohibited items leading to confiscation. Cruise lines have strict rules about what you can and cannot bring on board, primarily for safety reasons. A major packing mistake is including prohibited items like surge protectors. Non-surge protector power strips are often okay. Check your line's policy. Clothes irons, candles, illegal substances, or weapons. Attempting to bring these items will lead to their confiscation, potential fines, or even denial of boarding, causing significant frustration and delays during embarkation. A passenger had their favorite travel iron confiscated during embarkation. She had bought that iron in Paris. It was sentimental and never returned. Another had a multi-outlet surge protector taken, leaving them with limited charging options. Always review your cruise line's list of prohibited items before packing. When in doubt, leave it out. Using the ship's laundry services for wrinkles or approved travel adapters is a much safer bet. Mistake number 4. Not packing a carry-on bag for embarkation day. A common packing oversight is failing to prepare a dedicated carry-on bag for embarkation day. Your checked luggage can take several hours to arrive at your cabin, sometimes not until late afternoon. If your essentials are in those bags, you'll be without medication, a swimsuit, toiletries, or a change of clothes when you want them. This leads to frustration, discomfort, and potentially missing out on early onboard fun like the pool deck or first lunch. A family packed all their swimsuits and checked luggage, expecting them to arrive quickly. They spent the entire first afternoon longing for the pool, but couldn't get their bags until after dinner. Always pack a small carry-on with essentials, medications, eyeglasses, swimwear, a change of clothes, toiletries, necessary documents, and anything you can't live without for the first few hours on board. It transforms your embarkation experience. Mistake number 5. Neglecting medication and first aid essentials. Many cruisers, especially those on regular medication, make the critical mistake of packing their prescriptions in checked luggage or failing to pack a basic first aid kit. Your checked bags could be delayed or even lost. Running out of a vital prescription at sea or paying exorbitant prices at the ship's medical center for basic remedies like pain relievers or motion sickness pills is a completely avoidable headache. A passenger with a heart condition discovered his critical medication was in his delayed luggage on embarkation day, causing immense stress until it arrived hours later. Another had to pay $10 for 2 ibuprofen from the ship's medical center. Always keep all essential medications with copies of prescriptions in your carry-on. Pack a small basic first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and motion sickness remedies. It's a small investment for peace of mind. Mistake number 6. Underestimating the need for layers and versatility. Cruisers often pack for their destination's climate, but forget the microclimates of a ship. It's a mistake to pack only shorts and swimsuits for the Caribbean or only heavy coats for Alaska. Cruise ships can be surprisingly chilly inside, restaurants, theaters, even in warm climates, and outdoor decks can be windy. Not packing versatile layers means you'll either be uncomfortable or spending money on overpriced souvenir hoodies. A passenger on a tropical cruise only packed summer clothes. She spent several evenings uncomfortably cold in the main dining room and theater, wishing she'd brought a light sweater or shawl. Think in layers. Pack light cardigans, a versatile jacket, or a pashmina that can transition from air-conditioned indoors to breezy outdoor decks. Versatility in your wardrobe saves space and ensures comfort in varying ship temperatures. Mistake number 7. Forgetting essential bathroom and personal care items. While cruise lines provide basic toiletries, forgetting your specific brands of shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, or even sunscreen is a common mistake that leads to unnecessary onboard spending. Ship shops stock these items, but at inflated prices, often for brands you don't prefer. This is a subtle revenue stream for the cruise line, capitalizing on your oversight. A passenger forgot her preferred contact lens solution and had to pay $25 for a small bottle at the ship's boutique. Another regretted forgetting her high SPF sunscreen, paying double the price for a generic brand. Make a detailed list of your personal care items and check it twice. Packing travel-sized versions of your favorites can save space and money, ensuring you have exactly what you need without overpaying. Mistake number 8. Not packing a basic laundry solution. Many cruisers fail to pack a basic laundry solution, assuming they'll either send everything out for ship laundry, expensive, or just live with dirty clothes. Packing a small amount of laundry detergent sheets or pods, along with a travel clothesline, is a simple, cost-saving hack for washing small items like socks, underwear, or swimsuits in your cabin sink. Not doing so means paying premium prices for ship laundry service or running out of clean essentials. A family on a long cruise spent over $150 on laundry service because they hadn't packed any way to wash essentials themselves. Had they brought a small bag of detergent pods and a travel line, they could have significantly cut that cost. Pack a few detergent pods or a small tube of travel detergent, along with a retractable clothesline for the shower. It's a game changer for keeping small items fresh and saving money. Mistake number 9. Relying solely on cruise Wi-Fi. A common mistake is assuming the ship's Wi-Fi will be fast, reliable, and affordable enough for all your entertainment and information needs. It's often slow, expensive, and intermittent. Not pre-downloading movies, books, music, podcasts, or port maps before sailing means you'll be bored, frustrated, or forced to pay for costly internet just to access offline content. A passenger planned to binge-watch a show on Netflix while at sea but discovered the ship's Wi-Fi was too slow for streaming and too expensive for her budget. She ended up bored during downtime. Before you sail, download all the movies, TV shows, ebooks, podcasts, and music you want to enjoy offline. Download offline maps for ports if you plan to explore independently. This ensures entertainment and information are always at your fingertips without hidden Wi-Fi costs. Mistake number 10. Forgetting formal or specialty night attire. While cruise attire has generally become more relaxed, many ships still have formal nights or specialty restaurants with dress codes. A packing mistake is either completely forgetting appropriate attire, forcing you to miss out or buy overpriced items on board, or, conversely, overdoing it with too many formal options that just take up valuable space. Missing out on a desired experience or feeling out of place is a common regret. A couple forgot to pack anything beyond casual wear and couldn't get a reservation at the main dining room on formal night, missing out on a special experience. Another cruiser packed 3 ball gowns for a 7-day cruise, wearing only one and filling a huge chunk of her suitcase. Check your cruise line's dress code policy for specific nights or restaurants. Pack one versatile, smart casual to semi-formal outfit that can be dressed up or down. A little research goes a long way. Mistake number 11. Not bringing your own reusable water bottle and coffee mug. Cruise ships provide disposable cups, but a common packing mistake is not bringing your own reusable water bottle or coffee mug. This leads to constant trips for refills, contributing to plastic waste, and missing out on the convenience of having your beverage with you. It's a small item that offers huge convenience and environmental benefits that cruise lines don't necessarily encourage you to bring. A passenger constantly juggled small cups of water from the buffet, wishing he had a larger bottle to fill up once and carry around the ship or ashore. Another found her coffee quickly cooled in a paper cup. Pack a durable, insulated reusable water bottle or travel coffee mug. You can fill them at beverage stations and stay hydrated or enjoy your coffee longer. It's a simple hack for convenience and sustainability. Mistake number 12. Ignoring the what-ifs. Many cruisers pack only for perfect weather and seamless experiences, overlooking the what-ifs. A critical mistake is failing to pack for unexpected rain, minor injuries, or severe sunburn. Not bringing a compact umbrella or lightweight rain jacket means getting soaked ashore. Forgetting aloe vera or pain relievers for a sunburn or small cut means discomfort and an expensive trip to the ship's pharmacy. A family on a Caribbean cruise was caught in a sudden downpour during a port excursion, ruining their day as they had no rain gear. Another passenger got a severe sunburn on the first day and spent the rest of the cruise in pain, having forgotten aloe vera. Always pack a small, foldable umbrella or lightweight rain jacket. Include aloe vera, basic pain relievers, and any other, just-in-case, items in your first aid kit. Prepare for the unexpected to avoid discomfort and unnecessary costs. And there you have it, cruisers. 12 cruise packing mistakes you need to avoid before you sail. Packing smart isn't just about what you bring, it's about what you don't bring and how you prepare for the unexpected. By sidestepping these common pitfalls, you'll save money, reduce stress, and ensure your cabin feels like a sanctuary, not a storage locker. A little thoughtful planning now means a lot more relaxation and enjoyment on your well-deserved cruise vacation. What's the one item you always forget to pack? Hit like if these tips helped you, and subscribe to Cruise Pro for more honest insights and essential advice that truly transforms your travel experience. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.